Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to make the football tournament poster design super easy and super fast. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, if you would like to create this design poster, and let's say if you need the inspiration too about the design, don't worry, because there is the AI that can help you instantly to create the poster design. So you can start to introduce yourself to this design.com, and also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this will be the home page of the design.com, and you'll see what things that you can do here is kind of create the logo and also the business card, and for the social media design, post, or maybe the cover, and also the social media profile picture. You can also create it here too, and you can also create the website over here, email signatures until the presentation, and also it will show you a lot of AI over here. And if you see the homepage of this design.com, and you'll see it only create logo, but actually not, guys. If you scroll down, you can make the design for a lot of purposes, and you can click this section, and again, and there will be the AI that has been provided by this design.com that can help you to create the poster. You can simply click this, and after that you can put your prompt into this section. The more detail of your prompt, it will be gonna look better. And for the new user, they will also give you, let's say, the shadow text that can guide you about the thing that you can put over here. Let's say generate a poster by adding a few words and also telling us your business, let's say business name, or describe about your business does. And for example, I will put the prompt into this section, like generate a poster of a biggest university football tournament in the end of 2025, and the competition or the tournament will be Scholar Football Championship. The venue will be in Estadio Dragão, Portugal on 26 until 31 December. And also there will be the text that sounds persuasive to the audience to register your team now in this website, www.scholarchampionship.com. And the due date for the registration will be on 30 November. And after that you can continue to click generate, and it will direct you into this section to show you the Scholar Football Championship design or the poster design. And you can also simply click this, for example, and here the section you can also start to do the editing to make it more personal. To zoom in, you can click this one. And for example, you can put the website over here, www.scholarchampionship, like this. And I will enlarge this size. For example, I will edit it to be register your team now. And I will also adjust the size of this font like this. And you can also put the, let's say, the symbol or the logo of the organization that held this competition. And after that, you can also save this progress, download it, or even print it. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try thisdesign.com. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.